First, we will make the brine. I'm going to use 1 cup of white vinegar, everyday vinegar. Use 2 teaspoons of red chili flakes. Now, all these ingredients and amounts are negotiable. And here's some ginger that I minced up, about a 1-inch piece. Here's a shallot that I minced up. Tablespoon of sugar. 2 small green onions. I'll get the rest in there later. I have 2 cloves of garlic that I want to mince finely. So I'm going to use the tool here. Put 2 cloves of garlic in there. And next we'll go to the cucumber part. I'm using a mandolin to slice the pickles, and I bought little bitty cucumbers. So I'm using this to slice them so they're even, and you can slice them as thick or thin as you want your cucumbers. These are refrigerator pickles. You add them to your brine and then put them in the refrigerator. So I'm just going to use as many of these little cucumbers as the liquid will hold and put this in the refrigerator overnight. Give it a good stir. I stirred it up before I started putting the cucumber in there. And I did use 3 of these size. Put the lid on it and put it in the fridge for overnight. You can start eating them 1 hour afterwards, but they're better overnight. You also want to add coarse salt, like kosher salt's coarse. Add that in there, 1.5 teaspoons, and mix that in. And back into the refrigerator. It has been 24 hours for these pickles, and let me try one for you. They're really good. They're pretty spicy. For me, it's medium spicy. It's not too hot. For some people, it would be very hot. But you know, if you add them to a sandwich, like a roast beef sandwich or a ham sandwich or turkey or a burger, they're not going to taste as hot because you have other stuff, you know, with them. Not just by themselves, as I just tried here. They're very good. They're a little bit salty and garlicky and spicy and just really nice. They'll last about 2 weeks in your refrigerator. If you don't eat them, you know, but you'll eat them. And thank you so much for watching. Appreciate it.